Alright, I figured I'd give you guys an update of the Green Bean project. We are almost ready to get this motor out. It's getting dark out, so next phase is to get this motor out. Everything's been disconnected. The wiring harness has been pulled. The whole drivetrain car is up. Everything's out. Exhaust. Can we see anything there? Nah, we can't see anything there, but trust me, everything's been pulled out of it. Subframe bolts have been disconnected, and all we have to do is just get the gantry crane in here, and that's it. So hopefully in the next video you'll see me pulling this bad boy out, and we'll find out if that gantry crane works or not. All right, talk to you later.